Now, I promise you this will be the last video you'll need to watch about making money on TikTok. Because if you implement any of the things that I'm going to mention in this video, you'll be one step closer to making a full-time income from TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, building online businesses, and social media. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. So I know a lot of you follow me for social media marketing techniques and tips, especially making money on Facebook and how to build a YouTube business. But now I want to talk about TikTok because TikTok is growing extremely fast. There's millions of people on TikTok every single day, billions of views every single day, and there's people making real money on TikTok. And you might be wondering, how do I actually get a piece of this pie? How do I actually make money? Even if it's just $200 per month or $1,000 per month, how do I make this into something that can provide me perhaps a full-time income? And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. How to make money on TikTok, 4 different ways that you can start monetizing your TikTok content, especially if you're trying to make it as an influencer or you're trying to build a full-time business. So before we jump into the video, all I'm asking is that you hit the like button below. It's really going to help me out with this video. Hopefully push this video to more people so more people can see it. So let's jump right into it, and number 4 is TikTok's Creator Fund. Now, if you don't know what the Creator Fund is, this is TikTok's way of monetizing your videos, allowing you to make money for how many people are actually watching your videos. Very similar to the YouTube Partner Program. The only difference is you get to make a lot more money with the YouTube Partner Program. That's why you see a lot of TikTokers jumping on YouTube as soon as they hit 100,000 subscribers or even 1 million subscribers on TikTok. They actually promote their YouTube channel because they know they can make way more money from their audience on YouTube than what they can make on TikTok. And that's only because the TikTok Creator Fund, it's only for accounts with over 10,000 followers, and you do get to make 1 cent for every 1,000 views, which means if you really want to make any significant money on TikTok, you gotta have millions and millions of views every single month. And guys, I actually work with influencers who have massive followings on TikTok. We're talking millions of followers, and they make more money from sponsor deals and brand deals than what they make from the TikTok Creator Fund, even though they have millions of followers. And that's mainly because you gotta have a lot of views, millions of views every single month if you want to make any real money. So if you're putting all your hopes of making it into the TikTok Creator Fund because you reach 10,000 followers and you want to start monetizing your content, don't expect to make a lot of money. That's just the reality, mainly because you got to have millions of views. So the Creator Fund should not be your primary way of monetizing your content. It should be just a bonus, something extra that's going to be adding to your monthly income. So let's talk about number 3, and that is providing premium content. How do you actually provide premium content, meaning that exclusive content that you can provide to your audience for those followers who are willing to pay to get access to you? And for that, you can use something like Stand With Me. If you don't know what Stand With Me is, this is a very powerful platform that you can sign up for free and you can monetize your audience in different ways. So your followers can donate money, your followers can pay for subscriptions to exclusive content, and this is all done via Stand With Me, and then you can basically take that money out of the account and just transfer that money to your bank account. You can even sell downloads, you can even sell information via Stand With Me, and basically this is very simple to use for anyone. You don't need any experience. So I'm gonna put a link to Stand With Me in the description below if you guys wanna check it out. It's a fairly new platform, but I believe it does have a lot of potential, especially if you're just getting started to monetize your following and you're looking to make a little bit more money than what the Creator Fund can offer. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Guys, affiliate marketing is my favorite way of making money online. I actually make more money from this channel from affiliate marketing than what I make from the YouTube ads that play on my videos. And you can do the exact same thing on TikTok. So let's say you have a TikTok account about home improvement and hacks and things like that. If you find the right affiliate programs and services to promote, you can make a killing because your videos now have a way for you to make money without relying on the Creator Fund. It's not about how many views your videos are getting, it's how many people actually click on the link and go and buy whatever product or service you're promoting. Amazon has an affiliate program where you can simply send people to your own Amazon store, and whenever they buy something from Amazon, it doesn't matter what that is, you'll get a commission from that sale. So this is very niche specific. Think about the type of content you're creating on TikTok. Like I said, if you have a home improvement account where you're showing tips and hacks, things like that, you can definitely find products on Amazon that you can promote to your audience. And this is all trackable via your link. So whenever they click on that link in your bio, it takes them to your Amazon store. If they decide to buy something, even 24 hours later, you'll get a commission for that. So imagine if you're getting 100,000 views a month or 200,000 views a month on TikTok, and you're getting 10,000 people to just check out your link to your Amazon store, and they decide to buy something, that could really turn into a significant amount of money. So that's why you have to monetize your accounts in different ways to not rely on just one thing. Once you start getting big enough, you can find affiliate programs in your niche and actually get better commissions because you have a bigger audience, and you can get 20, 30, 50% commission promoting products and services related to your audience. That's what affiliate marketing is all about, guys. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I'm going to put a link in the description below to my affiliate marketing success guide. This is my free guide that explains everything about affiliate marketing and how you can start making money with affiliate marketing, how to find affiliate programs. All of that is going to be in there for you 100% free. And the number one way to make money on TikTok is to simply sell your own products and services. Guys, as of making this video, I have about 5,000 followers on my TikTok account. I haven't actually posted recently, but I'm going to start posting more and more videos because I want to grow my account past 10,000 followers in the next few months. Because even though I'm not going to be worrying about making money with the creator fund or any of that, and if you have a business, it doesn't matter what type of business it is, it's always a good idea to build an audience within that niche so you can promote your business and actually grow that business. For example, I actually follow a guy on TikTok that cleans pools, and he actually posts videos on his account about the entire process he uses to clean pools. He provides tips and information about how to clean your pools, and the thing is, it's really satisfying to watch those type of videos. They get millions of views, and he has so much business that he has to turn down people because there's no way he can work with everyone. So if you do have a business right now, it doesn't matter what type of business it is, whether it's affiliate marketing, whether you're trying to build an audience online, whether you have a physical business, whether you're cleaning pools, it doesn't really matter. Start making videos, start growing your audience, creating content that people might enjoy, and then use that audience to grow your business, get more leads, more traffic, more customers for your business. And there's no best way to make money on TikTok because there's so many things that you can do at the same time. But of course, if you don't have your own business, you can still monetize it with the creator fund and affiliate marketing. Hey guys, in my channel, I teach multiple ways to make money online, not just with TikTok. So if you guys want to check out those videos, I have many different techniques and strategies that you can implement if you're trying to build a business online and actually make it to 50 bucks per day, $100 per day, or perhaps build a six-figure business online. I have over 300 videos on my channel. Just go and check it out. I'm pretty sure you can learn something brand new that can teach you to build a business online. With that said, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.